This is the Bosch GOL32 Automatic Optical Level. It is a robust and easy to use automatic level that will help you level any job site up to 400 feet. It features 32 times magnification and offers a sharp, bright image thanks to its large aperture and superior optics. Its precision compensator guarantees an accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 inch at 100 feet and is further protected when it's locked and transported in its included carry case so that calibration and accuracy are maintained over time. With sharper images, horizontal vertical crosshairs and stadia lines, a self-leveling compensator that locks during transport, and a magnetic dampening system that reduces the effect of vibrations, the GOL32 Automatic Optical Level is the ideal fit for any job site that requires quick, effortless leveling. So this is it, the Bosch GOL32 Automatic Optical Level. For more information on this tool, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch leveling tools.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.